Ladies and gentlemen, this is the show mo show ko na. Okay. Ngayon naman ay mag-ano tayo ng mga kanta ng ano-ano. Okay. Mga tula. Ano ba yung mga school? Ano bang kanta? Okay. Ano ba? Tomorrow is another day for me because masaya ako eh. Yan kita mo!
Mga tala.
Nanoy! Oo, kumisa! Oo! Joke lang mo, kita mo.
Wanay! Natali lang, Kel. Tali lang, Kel. Oh, ano lang po, Adi?
No, baby joke him. Happy. Don't want this time for what you think that I am for. I don't really want to suffocate it. Once, 21 guys, more you know. Born on your arms and up control. Okay. May bago na akong kakanta sa inyong lahat. Okay. At sasayaw ako ng sinayaw ko nung dati pa bata ako eh. Alam niyo, ano sinayaw ko? Anong sinayaw ko? Oh, hello!
Pupunta si Ugali.
Mamayo ko no.
Uga to! Nakiriliw ka. Okay. Take it out, jingle horse, pick up those feelings. Okay. Ganito sinayaw ko. Eh, oh, oh, oh. I want nobody, nobody. 1, 2, 3, go. I want nobody,
Ay, nala. Like, pupunta si Kuya yan.
I hopped up the plane at LAX with a dream, my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame excess. Am I gonna fit in? Jumped in the cab, here I am for the first time. Look to my right and I see the Hollywood sign. This is all so crazy. Everybody seems so famous. My tummy's turning and I'm feeling kinda homesick. Too much pressure and I'm nervous. That's when the taxi man turned on the radio and the Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. And the Jay-Z song was on. So I put my hands up to play that song. The butterflies fly away. I'm nodding my head like yeah. Moving my hips like yeah. Put my hands up to play my song. You know I'm gonna be okay. Yeah. It's a party in the USA. Yeah. It's a party in the USA. Get to the club in my taxi cab. Everybody's looking at me now. Like, who's that chick that's rocking kicks? She gotta be from out of town. So hard with my girls not around me. It's definitely not a Nashville party. Cause all I see after later, I guess I never got the memo. My tummy's turning and I'm feeling kinda homesick. Too much pressure and I'm nervous. That's when the DJ dropped my favorite tip. And the Britney song was on. And the Britney song was on. And the Britney song was on. So I put my hands up to play my song. The butterflies fly away.
okay.